Need to remind families the night before VBS or share a last-minute scheduling change? The message page makes it easy, by email or by text. Filter by status, confirmed families, the wait list, even volunteers, so you reach exactly the right people. Select everyone you filtered to, and your send is ready to go. Write your message, and you can personalize it with each parent's name or their child's. So, whether it's a sunscreen reminder or an emergency update, one click reaches every parent. If you have any questions, check out the Help Center inside Hubl. And if you want to see what else Hubl can do for your church, visit hubl.life. Thanks for watching our Quick Start VBS series. Now, go run an amazing VBS.